What should we do for this problem? Multiply the conjugate of the denominator. So you have square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 2 over 2 radical 3 plus 5 radical 2 times 2 radical 3 minus 5 radical 2 in the denominator, also in the numerator. I said already, you have to leave the problem alone, okay? And then write the second step. Does it make sense to you? I'm multiplying 1, right? Okay. So what is in the denominator? It will be something square minus something square. Okay? So it's what? 2 radical 3 square minus 5 radical 2 square in the denominator. Are you with me? And the numerator will be radical 3 minus 4 radical 2 times 2 radical 3 minus 5 radical 2. Okay. So what is in the denominator?
4 times 3.
Which is?
12.
Awesome, Nathan. Minus 50. Do you all get this? Is this easier now?
Yeah.
I'm hoping. You don't get that? Oh, okay. 2 radical 3 times 2 radical 3 is 4 times 3, which is 12. 5 radical 2 times 5 radical 2 is 25 times 2, which is 50, right? How about the numerator? Okay, you have radical 3 times 2 radical 3, so what do you get? You get 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, radical 3 times 5 radical 2, what do you get? Minus 5 radical 6. Are you with me? Yes. Okay, continue. What is next? Negative 4 times 2 is what? Negative 8. Radical 2 times radical 3 is what? Radical 6. So you get what? Negative 8 radical 6. What is the last term? It's positive 40 because 20, right? And then times 2, which is 40. Awesome, Thomas. Did you get that? Okay. Now, the rest will be just combining the like terms, right? 12 minus 50 is what? 38, but with a negative sign. Am I correct? Yes? Because 50 minus 12 is 38, right? But since negative 50, right? So you have negative 38. And then this will be what? 46 minus 13 radical 6. You got it. That's it. And you can take the negative sign outside if you want to. But it's not wrong.
You get extra points if you put it outside?
No. You will not get points deducted without putting it outside either. Okay? Does it make sense? No, you are fine. You are fine. Okay? Now, I would like you to look at this. We want to evaluate. Say, well, what is that evaluation? Well, evaluation is straightforward. You just plug in the value, right? Okay, evaluate functions. Okay, so example, if you have f is square root negative 3x minus 5, they want you to find f of negative 3, okay, and f of negative 12. What do you mean by that, my friend? That means you substitute, okay? That means you substitute. You substitute your x by negative 3. So let's see, what is f of negative 3? Square root negative 3. And when you see x, what do? you substitute by negative 3, right? And then minus 5. Are you with me? And then? It's positive 9 minus 5. And then? Square root of 4. And then? It's 2. You got it. So isn't that easy? F of negative 12. What is that? That is square root negative 3. And when you see x, you substitute by negative 12. Remember, you put what? Yeah. It's like your seatbelt, huh? For your safety. Okay, so what do you have now? Tell me. 36 minus 5. So it's what? Square root of 31. Can you simplify? No. So that's it, right? Okay, next. Find the domain. This is too easy. We got it. This is something that you are going to have for tomorrow, but you learned it chapters ago, right? What is this? This is a radical function. What is the domain for this? The domain is whatever value of x such that the radicand has to be 0 or positive. The radicand. This is the radicand, right? Has to be positive or 0. Is that right? Okay. So it means what? It means negative 5 greater than or equal to 3x. Right? Yes? Or you say 3x is less than or equal to negative 5. Yeah?
Do we just need the top one and that's still right? Or?
No, you have to find the interval notation, so you have to simplify it. So it means what? X is less than or equal to negative 5 over 3. So let's say this is negative 5 over 3. That means all the points to its left. You have question about switching? No? This is the alligator mouse. What happened? This is a set notation. You will be asked to write interval notation. Well, we have done that in the packet, right? This is a problem in the packet. So what is the interval notation? It will be negative infinity to negative 5 over 3. Sorry? What is the range? Now you tell me. What is the range? All positive or 0, right? This is the domain. The domain is this, and then the range will be from 0 to infinity, because this is a radical something, right? Radical is a principal value. It's always positive or 0.
If there was a 3, then it would be positive and negative infinity? If let's say if it was cube root, it would be the negative infinity to positive infinity?
Yeah, because it's cube root. Yes, it's everywhere. Okay? All right, now, this is the part that you have learned before. I don't need to go over, it's just review. So far, okay, we have done this. We have gone over this. So this is not something that I worry. What I really want you to learn today is to rationalize the denominator. So how do you do that? You multiply, conjugate, or you find the power so that you can rationalize, right? That's all it is. So it's not hard. Okay, so